This is your stimulus check update and stimulus package update for May the 4th. Be with you. First, I want to say that there is a high chance that more stimulus is coming. It's just a matter of what form, which we'll be discussing first. Then we'll be going over the newly proposed Patriots Pay. It's a plan that gives frontline workers up to $12 per hour in bonuses. It has Republican support, more details to come. Then an update regarding the $600 per week in unemployment benefits. Is there a chance it won't be taxed? We have some potential good news for that, so let's get started. In my last video, I went over 5 reasons why we won't get another stimulus check and then 7 reasons why we will get another stimulus check. It's a really great video, you should check it out right after this. But I want to give particular attention to my number 1 reason why we won't get another stimulus check. And that is because Trump doesn't like the idea. He prefers a payroll tax cut instead. In his virtual hall interview last night, he said that nothing is going to happen without a payroll tax cut. Based on that, we can comfortably assume a payroll tax cut will be in the next stimulus bill. Ultimately, Trump wants to get people back to work. He doesn't want to keep giving out free money unnecessarily, unless it is necessary. If the current events continue and people are not able to get back to work, then we're going to need some more direct financial assistance. And this is something that the Democrats are going to be pushing very hard for this week. We have the past proposals, which I've already covered on this channel. The Senate comes back today, so this should be a very interesting week. They're going to have to find some middle ground. So make sure you subscribe, I'll keep you updated. In the past, Trump said that he is not opposed to more checks directly, but he also said he wants more work-based incentives. Cue Mitt Romney with Patriots Pay. This is the first Republican plan that's getting some attention. Here are the details. Frontline workers are eligible. This includes grocery store clerks, hospital workers, food distributors, health manufacturers, and other essential workers. We're assuming, police, fire, and more, must make less than $90,000 per year. Bonuses of up to $12 per hour. This will be for the months of May, June, and July. Must work a minimum of 100 hours in each of these months. The Fed will pay 75% of the bonus, and then the employer will pay 25% of the bonus. For example, if you made $10 per hour at your current job as a frontline worker, you would be eligible for this bonus of $12 per hour. Now, your employer would pay $3 per hour extra to make sure you're coming to work for those 100 hours per month. And then the Fed would cover the other 75%, in this case, the other $9 of your bonus per hour. Now, the maximum credit allowed would be $1,920 per month. I find this proposal interesting, especially with the maximum credit being $1,920 per month. It's actually only $80 off from the proposed Emergency Money for the People Act, which is $2,000 per month. Of course, the criteria for eligibility is completely different in the 2 different plans. It would be nice to just get that $2,000 coming in every month, but I think Patriots Pay is a good work-based incentive plan coming from the Republican side. In the coming weeks, both sides will be coming together to hopefully meet somewhere in the middle. And here's the new update regarding unemployment benefits. There is some discussion going around about making unemployment insurance not taxable. This is the extra $600 per week in federal unemployment benefits. Usually benefits are taxable as income. However, a new bill has been written that may exclude some payments, such as unemployment, from being taxed. Meaning you'll actually get the full $600 per week in assistance rather than receiving it and then having to give a certain percentage back. Personally, I think this is a good idea. If they decide that they don't want to do another stimulus check, then it would be good to at least get some money back from this. I'll keep you updated as we get more information. Again, the Senate is back today, so they will be discussing this and the other stimulus proposals. The focus is going to be on funding the state and local governments first, but I'm confident there's going to be a lot of discussion on how to directly help the American people too. I'm going to keep making videos covering everything stimulus. It's like my new favorite word. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button to stimulate the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.